What's up y'all, it's Kayy back with another video. Today I will be reviewing and installing Luvin or Luvin hair. I got this from AliExpress and it came in with tips and a thank you note. I also got this in a 24. This is Brazilian deep wave. I got a 4x4 lace closure. I didn't feel like getting a frontal this time. I wanted to make it easier, so I got a 4x4. Now we're gonna take our bleaching powder and our 4D developer and gonna mix that in a cup, bowl, whatever. Just think of toothpaste when you're doing it. Make sure it's not too liquidy because you don't want it seeping through the lace and over bleaching the knots. Make sure when you scoop it up, it doesn't fall over or drip down. That's when you know. And then we're gonna let this sit in for 30 minutes. As I'm doing this, I'm just gonna clean up my surroundings. Oh, and also when you're making the bleaching paste, make sure you use a little bit because a little goes a long way, and I had a lot left over. Time's up. Now I'm gonna go wash the bleach off the lace. Now I'm gonna go in with the 5-in-1 Panty shampoo, and we're just gonna wash the lace, scrub the lace, make sure you get everything out. And we're not gonna go in once, we're gonna go in twice. Now we're just gonna let her dry. We're gonna go pluck her. So now I'm just gonna go in a zigzag motion across the lace. Then I'm gonna pluck her. Make sure when you're plucking, you don't pluck too hard or you don't pluck too light, because you could just be plucking the hair and not the knots. Make sure you pinch on the knots and pull back, but make sure you don't pinch hard enough to where you accidentally pinch the lace and create a hole in the lace. You don't want that. Now I'm just gonna be going back and back. I'm just gonna making parts around the lace and just plucking. This is how much I plucked off, which is surprising because I thought a lot was gonna come off. But remember, it's a 4x4, so. Make sure when you're doing a 4x4 closure, you cut off that thick piece of lace because you don't want that. You want the lace as thin as possible. And that is just, it's a thick part of the lace, so you just want to cut that off. It's just gonna make the wig look weird. Now we're just gonna put on my wig cap and cut holes on each side. Now I'm gonna use my freeze spray, got to be freeze spray, spray my edges and forehead. I'm gonna use my foundation powder and just put that around the cap. And I'm gonna cut off the excess. Now I'm just putting on the wig, just making sure where I'm gonna place it and what I need to do.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck?
Now I'm gonna put in the same foundation powder that I put on the wig cap. Now I'm just kind of testing everything out, where I should place everything. I felt like it didn't give that natural look, so I went in and plucked again. Now she's ready. Now I'm just gonna make my middle part. And I don't have my wax, so I'm just gonna improvise and use mousse. Mousse also gets the job done. Now I'm just gonna clean up the lace, repart it, make sure the part is straight. Now I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be Freeze spray. I'm just gonna glue that down. I use freeze spray because I couldn't find my gel. Got to be gel, so I'm using freeze spray. Now I'm just gonna tie this on and let it set and dry. Now I'm gonna go in with the same powder foundation from earlier, and I'm just gonna clean up the lace, make the lace part nice and visible. I took the scarf off too early, but that's fine. I just wanted to cut off the lace. Then I went in and blended the lace with my skin. Now I'm just checking it out, make sure I'm doing the right thing. I'm doing a pretty good job. Now I went in and tied it again. Now I'm just cutting off the excess cap that I didn't cut off earlier. Checking it out. And we're gonna tie it down one last time. Now we're gonna go in, say blush in the comments, please. Thank you. Now we're gonna go in with the conditioner and just wet the hair, conditioner and water. And take off the scarf. Now I'm just going in and wetting the top so the top could be flat. The curls are so nice on this wig. I love the curls. I love the thickness of it. I love the length. If you want your first curly wig or a curly wig in general, get this. And it didn't shed a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend about this video.